Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have Canva open and a design ready. Select the exact text box you want to change. Once selected, look to the top toolbar and click spacing to reveal line and letter controls. You do this now because adjusting spacing applies to the active text only, not the canvas globally. Make sure the whole paragraph is selected if you want consistent spacing. If you need to change multiple boxes, repeat selection so each text block gets its own spacing setting. Now adjust the line height control. Drag the slider for visual feedback or type a value like 1, 2 to be precise. Once done, scan the paragraph flow so you can judge readability. Tighter lines save space, wider lines improve clarity. Make sure to check headings versus body text because different sizes need different spacing. If characters look crowded, switch to letter spacing and nudge by 0. 5 steps. Use the preset options to compare alternatives before committing to a final numeric value. Finish by previewing your design at 100% to confirm line spacing reads well on screen and in print. Once satisfied, group text with related elements so future moves keep alignment intact, and consider saving the combination as a style for reuse. If spacing unexpectedly reverts, make sure you edited the text box itself rather than a style template. Copy the adjusted text into a new box if needed. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or refresh Canva if control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.